So hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So guys, for this, all you guys have to do, just pull down the status bar. As you see, we have option of Do Not Disturb here. So just long press this icon and then we go to this window. If you want to enable Do Not Disturb, you can enable it from here. And if you want to disable it, you can disable it from here. But make sure that we have some settings here, like if you want to set pupil, if you want to set Do Not Disturb mode for all conversation, you can select it. You can prioritize this conversation, like if you can select any contact only. And if you're talking about calls, so we can also do this started contact. It means we can select those contact only which we want to set for Do Not Disturb, and all contacts if you want to set for all. So these are the settings. And for enabling and disabling, all you guys have to do, just enable Do Not Disturb from this. And if you're talking about disable, so just turn off it so that the Do Not Disturb mode will be disabled. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.